Hey, y'all, just as I was about to start cooking, Eddie handed me some mail that I got from one of my precious closest friends, Donna Foltz. And she sent me some pictures the last time we were together. And she also enclosed what did she call that? I think she called that
This is kind of like quilting, I guess.
I know it, but she's using it, she's making them as a coaster. Yeah. And look at the dish towels she made. They are adorable. I love and miss you, Donna. They lived here in Savannah for the longest time, and then Curtis decided to retire. So I don't get to see her much, but when I go to Paula Deen's family kitchen in Pigeon Forge, this is Donna, and that's Curtis. And that's my whole entire family, like my immediate family. It's gotten a little bigger. Look at that. All my children. I took them up there for Thanksgiving at our restaurant, and we had a wonderful time. So thank you, Donna. I just miss you. I miss you, miss you, miss you. And, oh, look, this is for little grandson. How cute is he? He's so precious. Our children are growing like weeds, Donna. All right, I'm going to put this away because I don't want to get it messed up, because I want to share with y'all, Easter is approaching us. And, I like doing things like this. I'm making a loaded banana bread. And I have people tell me all the time, yours is the best banana bread recipe. Well, I have to say I got a bunch of them, a bunch of different ones. So this one, like I said, I called it loaded because it is loaded. And, I love making banana breads and breads like this. They're so easy, and it's great because you don't want to overmix them, so you don't even have to pull out your mixer for these. All right, so that is flour and sugar, baking powder, salt. It tried to get away from me, y'all. And soda. So you just want to take your little blender to it. I didn't get him. You did, Eddie? Because this is just like almost sifting using your beater. All right, now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add our wet ingredients together, which is like 4 bananas that's been mashed, a couple of eggs, get over here closer to me, you little pig. Love you little, love you big, love you like a little pig. My precious sister-in-law Sandy tells that to me. All right, so I've got a couple of eggs. Now I'll just give those a quick whisk. I've got raisins. I've got Greek yogurt. That Greek yogurt will make it real moist. I've got melted butter. And we're just going to give this a quick mix. Now I'm going to use about half of those nuts inside, and then I'll save the rest for the top. So you just want to get this incorporated. Alrighty. That gets every one of our ingredients. So I'm just going to kind of make a little well. And I'm going to pour all this in, and I'm going to mix it together. And like I said, you don't want to over mix it. Oops, I was about to forget the vanilla. Can't forget the vanilla. And that's, we're going to do like a teaspoon. All right, a teaspoon plus. All right, so you want to just mix this until all your flour is, you don't see any dry flour in it. You want it all moist. I'm not seeing any white in it anywhere. If y'all see some white, tell me. I'm waiting to hear. All right, Teresa's already sprayed our loaf pan like a 9x5, but you can also, with it being Easter, you can always make them in those little miniature pans. So you can buy the disposable at the grocery store or the dollar store, and you can wrap anybody that you want to share them with, wrap it up and give it to them at Easter. So here we go. This is going to be a real dense, yummy bread. And you know what? I love anything that says loaded. Except my husband. I don't like to use that word on him. And thank goodness I don't have to say that very often. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of level that out in the pan. And how long are we going to bake this for? Lord, I can't remember. It's been so long since I formulated this recipe, I don't even remember doing it. That's how many things are running around in this little brain. All right, so let me look. About 50 minutes or until a wooden toothpick comes out clean in a 350 oven. Do you put those on now? You know what? I'm afraid they're going to get too dark. So I think I would rather, I don't like seeing dark nuts. You know? Uh-huh. I mean, I can do a few, but I just don't want them that dark.
We'll put them on about 10 minutes after.
Yeah.
And how many minutes did it say?
50, about 50. So, here we go. And we're going to have a wonderful loaded banana nut bread. After 20 minutes, if it's getting too dark, might want to cover this with a little tin foil, especially if you put your nuts on top. So I'm just going to cover this because I said I don't like no burnt nuts. They just don't put out a good flavor. Ouch. The little I just have to seal that good because that fan is so strong it'll blow that tinfoil right off. Okay, look at our pretty loaded banana nut loaf, y'all. Now, what do y'all like on your banana nut bread? Do you like cream cheese?
Butter.
Butter. Butter.
What about you, Eddie?
All right, now, y'all, I did something that I shouldn't have done. I'm sorry I did it. But I didn't put the nuts on at the beginning because I didn't want them to get so dark. And so we put them on 20 minutes. 20 minutes after it had baked. And of course, by the time it baked 20 minutes, it wouldn't stick. So what you need to do is just go ahead and put them on when you put the batter in the pan, and then put tin foil over it in about 20 minutes. because those nuts will get way too dark. Eddie, would you eat a piece?
Oh, you can do that. I'll get some.
You'll find some. Is that what you're saying?
I'll get some.
Isn't it delicious? This makes for a great quick breakfast too, running out the door.
I might be making this at Easter lunch.
Be a wonderful bread. I love it crispy outside. Yum! Love and best dishes, y'all. Happy Easter. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.